Hello my amazing supporters, welcome back again to Susan Good TV. How are you all doing, guys? I hope fine. For me, we are fine. So guys, I just want to show a video on how I make this spacey braid. All right, this is my customer. She wants me to make her spacey braid. You know, it's summer, so you need spacey hair so you can take some fresh hair. So that is how we just try to make it so spacey and but so beautiful and neat.
Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I?
So guys, if this is your first time coming across Susan Good TV, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate your support. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much, and we say thank you and thank you for your support, and we ask that you keep supporting us, okay? And you can also join our membership for more support. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate you. So guys, you may be wondering what we do here. So we do everything concerning hair. All right, hair products, what will make your hair grow stronger and what will make your hair grow longer, and how to make your hair adult and kids hair. So that is what we do in this channel.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when
So guys, at the end of this video, almost at the end, maybe two three of hair left, I'll be showing you another way of making braid without you starting it with extension down. You can start with extension but in a different form. All right, just watch to that place and you will see how I did it, okay? Because there are a lot of ways you can do your braid apart from you starting it with extension down. There are a lot of ways you can add your extension to your hair, so I'll be showing you guys little by little. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now, and remember, I love you guys. So let me leave you guys for now to enjoy the view and also continue watching the video. Bye.
And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I C'est la vie. And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of deep.
So guys, sorry I'm back. I just want to quickly explain the reason why I covered myself somehow, you know, seeing my body. That's because of something I wore. It was kind of showing too much, like more than I can show, so that is why I cover my body. So thank you for your understanding.
C'est la vie. Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that c'est la vie. And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that c'est la vie. Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that c'est la vie. And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that c'est la vie. Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that c'est la vie. And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think